This is a future of luxury on wheels. The Mercedes Vision V concept car, a masterpiece that looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie from the outside. It is sleek, aerodynamic, and alive with over 400 LED lights that flow seamlessly across the body. The emblem itself lights up, the paint changes color depending on the environment, and the glass is slightly transparent, giving you a futuristic peek inside. Once you approach, facial recognition unlocks the doors. And what happens next feels more like stepping into a luxury suite than a vehicle inside it. As pure magic, soft ambient lighting flows through the cabin, custom-designed looping seats wrap you in comfort, and everything feels like it's made to make you forget you're even in a car. But the real showstopper, a 65-inch rollable old TV that rises right in front of you, paired with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This turns your ride into a full-on theater experience. 7 projectors bring the aurora borealis to life across the window's ceiling and floor, surrounding you with light and motion. It is immersive, unreal, and breathtaking. The sound system. Over 40 speakers built into the cabin walls, creating true surround sound, and if you want peace, hit relax mode in the car. Dims the lights, reclines your seat to zero gravity, and projects calm visuals like stars or a fireplace. To just travel it as an experience. You can work, host meetings, even shop with built-in augmented screens. And if you ever get bored, gaming mode transforms your drive into a digital playground. Every detail from the honeycomb glass to the flowing chrome wheels screams innovation and artistry. The Mercedes V Eason Tia Carrot as a glimpse into the future of comfort, technology, and imagination, where the journey itself becomes the destination.